Antibiotic resistance is currently one of the major problems facing global society. We used to have antibiotics that were very useful because they were able to kill bacteria. So when you got a bacterial infection, you took antibiotics and your bacterial infection went away. Now, the case is not so simple because a lot of these bacteria that cause infections in humans are resistant to the antibiotics that we have to treat them. So what are we going to do? Well, one option we have available to us is to make new vaccines. My name is Rachel McLoughlin. I'm Professor in Immunology at Trinity College in Dublin. So one of the bacteria that causes a major problem for us currently is this bacteria which is known as methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus. People might be more familiar with that using the term MRSA, or one of the hospital-acquired superbugs. Here in my lab, we're interested in studying how your immune system responds to that bacterium, because the information that we're going to generate will help us, we hope, to develop a new vaccine that would prevent MRSA infection. If we had a vaccine that would prevent you getting an infection, then we don't have to worry so much about whether or not that bacteria is resistant to the antibiotics that we have to treat it. Given the world we find ourselves in at the moment, in the midst of a pandemic, vaccination has never been more front and centre in people's minds. My children are vaccinated against more diseases than I was vaccinated against. So the work that I'm doing to try to develop a new vaccine to protect against MRSA is really exciting. And it helps me to get out of bed in the morning thinking that the discoveries that we might make might help to develop these new kinds of vaccines. So funding basic research like this is hugely important, because without the basic discoveries, we won't be able to make new vaccines. And as we've seen with coronavirus, new diseases can emerge that we never knew existed, and we're going to have to be ready and equipped with the tools and the knowledge to try to fast-track new vaccines.